Hey there, fellow space savers and style seekers. Tired of feeling cramped in your tiny bedroom? Wish you could transform it into a stylish sanctuary without breaking the bank? Well, get ready to be amazed because today we're diving deep into a world of budget-friendly DIYs that will make your small bedroom feel like $1,000,000. But before we unveil these incredible transformations, I have a question for you. After watching these 5 incredible DIY projects, which one inspired you the most to try in your own bedroom? Share your favorite in the comments and let us know how you'd make it your own. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing DIY inspiration. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's get down to business. First up, we're tackling the ultimate space-saving challenge. Project 1, the Hidden Haven Bed. Imagine a bed that not only looks amazing but also doubles as a secret storage compartment. We're talking about a DIY platform bed with built-in drawers, perfect for stashing away those extra blankets, clothes, and seasonal decor. We'll show you how to build this multifunctional masterpiece using simple tools and affordable materials. Get ready to maximize your space and minimize clutter. Next, let's talk about the power of paint. Project 2, the Illusion of Space paint job. Tired of feeling like you're living in a box? We'll reveal the secrets of using paint to create the illusion of space. From strategic color blocking to a mesmerizing ombre effect, we'll guide you through techniques that will make your small bedroom feel airy and expansive. Get ready to transform your walls into a canvas of creativity. Now, let's add some personality to your space. Project 3, the Whimsical Wonderland Wall Art. Forget boring plain walls, we're about to unleash your inner artist with a collection of whimsical DIY wall art ideas. From stunning macrame wall hangings to eye-catching string art and enchanting 3D paper flowers, these projects will add a touch of personality and charm to your bedroom. Get ready to turn your walls into a gallery of your own creation. Now, let's create a relaxing oasis with Project 4, the Zen Garden Lighting Solution. The right lighting can transform your bedroom into a haven of tranquility. We'll guide you through creating a DIY fairy light canopy, repurposing old jars into enchanting bedside lamps, and incorporating LED strip lighting for a touch of modern magic. Get ready to illuminate your space with creativity and style. And finally, let's add the finishing touch. Project 5, the Cozy Comfort DIY Rug. No bedroom is complete without a cozy rug to sink your toes into. We'll explore a variety of DIY rug options, from braided rugs made from old t-shirts to playful pom-pom rugs and vibrant patchwork creations. Get ready to add a touch of warmth and personality to your floor. There you have it, 5 mind-blowing DIYs that will transform your small bedroom into a stylish and functional haven. Which project are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing DIY inspiration. Happy creating, and remember, even small spaces can have a big impact.